So the reason I decided to start this great movement is because out of all the opportunities and ventures that I've been on in the past, this is the literally the first one that I know is going to be on a scale of helping millions of people. And it's going to feel great because I've been in a lot of different ventures to where a select few people win. And a lot of people that's within the business does not win, or on a very small level. So it's one thing that I want each and every one of you to keep in mind this evening while we're going over this material is, first and foremost, the ease. The ease that it's going to be for each and every one of you to be able to go into the market, make money on a consistent basis, and not have to do all the homework, all the back-breaking studying and all of that stuff if you don't want to. And then it's going to be great for those who says, you know what, Al, but I want to do all the homework. I want it to be to where I know everything. Well, this is a place for you also. But this is going to be a place to where we have one vision. So it's not going to be a lot of different strategies out there as far as from different people, right? You're going to have my strategies. So it's going to be coming from one source. It's going to be a place to where you know you can come to, and it's a team, right? We're going to be a very knit team. As you see from the chat, we have people from all over the world. And that's a great thing for me because I firmly believe that the touch of the Forex market, it affects every one of us. So why should we not be able to make money within that particular market? All right. And number three, I'm gonna come out in the end. I'm gonna give everybody a big announcement, so that way you can see what's about to happen. All right. So let's go over first. First thing I want to go over, I'm gonna share my charts with you, is I want to go over what this looks like for you as far as my indicators are concerned. I've been searching for a while, and everything's finally fell in place. My confirmations have fell in place, and now I know it's the time to start this on a large scale. And let me see here. Let me go ahead and go to the right chart. If everybody can see my chart, please give me a 1 in the chat. Great. All right. So as you can see here, team, I have it highlighted here at the bottom, but this line starts at the 4th of October, 2021. All right. And it goes to present date right now. So I want you to take and look as far as what this has to offer for those who says, you know what, Al, I just want something easy that I can get into the market without you being around, knowing that I'm getting in at the right time, the right place. Because let's face it, whenever you're learning anything new, the important thing is knowing when to get in, if it's the right time, and feeling confident enough that you're doing the right thing. All right, so what's been created here, if you notice from the 4th of October, you have a buy signal on the 13th for this particular strategy. 2 more buy signals on the 20th. The 1st of November, you had a buy signal, and then the market turned around and you got a sell on the 4th and the 16th. So you say, Al, you know what? I've tried the trading view thing, and you know, it's just too hard to keep up with. I don't know like where to set the alert. I don't know how to set the alert. And it's just very cumbersome for me. So how easy is this, team? I want to just show you this. Give me a money sign in the chat if you see the buy and the sell signals that populate. Give me a money sign in the chat if that's what if you can see that. All right, great. So the only thing you have to do, team, is this. Wherever it says buy, you right click. You see where it says add alert? Right here. You left click that. And I'm going to show you, for those of you that take the next steps with me, how to go ahead and set this alert. So that way, every time this indicator says buy, guess what it's going to do for you? That's right. It's going to send you an email, right? Because you're going to have your TradingView set up for your email. It's going to send you an email saying Audi JPY, right? Tuesday takeoff, buy. And the only thing you have to do is you go to your trading platform and you can buy the market. So let me show you an example. That buy triggered here. Team, that right there is 100 pips. All right, so let's talk about something, right? If you're doing $1 a pip in the market, you just made $100, and the only thing you did was you waited for my indicator to say buy. Now, when the market says sell, you got your sell signal here. Just from here to here. That's 60 pips. So that happened on the 4th of November. This happened on the 14th of October. Those are 2 trades that you would have made a nice income on. All right. Now, just not to get too deep into this, but I want to show you what happens. Okay. Because this is, I mean, when I say, like, I literally have not spared any costs in getting this stuff taken care of, right? So check it out. When you enter the trade, I want everybody to see this. When you enter the trade, let's say if you wanted to go for 20 pips, take profit, right? Minimum profit, 20 pips right here. You can set that. Let's say if you want to go for 30 pips, if you're more aggressive, you want to go for 30, you push OK. So now where you enter the trade at here, when I say here, I mean you're going to enter the trade right here. You're entering the trade there. Once you get to 30 pips, look what happens. The colors of your candles change. Does everybody see that? It's no longer red and green in the middle. So you know that you have hit take profit if you set it for 20 pips, 30 pips, right? You know that you've hit take profit. It's not a question in your mind. Now, remember, once you start knowing my strategies, then you'll understand what the how to set your stop loss and how to set your take profit, right? But I just want to give you a little sample tonight so you can see exactly what you have coming in front of you, right? So here we go. Look at this. You got your buy. You got another buy signal. Both of them hit take profit. They didn't hit your stop loss. So now that's 2 trades that you won. That's 60 pips. Another 30 over here. That's 90 pips you're up. And guess what, team? You can be doing errands. You could be sitting at the house, watching TV. You can do anything you want to do while this is going on. It's working for you. Okay? It's getting you in at the right spots. So let's look at one that did hit stop loss. Let's see something. Let's see. Now I want to show y'all this. Like I'm looking for one that hit stop loss, right? You see, I haven't found one yet. Nope, 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 nope. All right, here we go. You see, you got in for the buy here. Let's say your stop loss, you set your stop loss here. Let's just say you did. Do you see this candle? Let me draw an arrow. That has a blacked out body. Does everyone see that? Give me a yes in the chat. If that's what you see, give me a yes in the chat. All right. Once that means it hits your stop loss. Okay. So now you look at it. You had one hit your stop loss here, but you had a win, one, another win, 3 and 2. We're 3 and 2 so far. 4, 5. That should have been up. 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 14 and 3. I mean, and they just keep coming. 15 and 3, 16 and 3, 17 and 3. Team, these are the same strategies I use in the market daily. Now this is one pair, one indicator. So now let me go, I'm gonna go to the same time frame with another indicator. Okay, that's this one here. Now you can see it gets you into the market at different spots from the other indicator, right? Because this indicator, let's go back to where we were looking at. It got you in a couple. Look how many this one got you into. It got you into more trades, and look how many went the wrong way. I love this, y'all. I love this. I'm gonna tell you the reason why I love it so much. It's not because I can make money. It's because we can make money. Okay? We can make money. So if you look at this, look at all your wins and how much you're catching the market. That's just, you already looked at one indicator. This is the second indicator that you can put on that particular pair, right? Now let's look at your third indicator. And do you see how it's getting you into the market in entirely different situations, entirely different spots? So all three indicators get you into the market in different positions. Do you see how many winners you have here, team? Right? So not only can you use the way I have it set up, you can use it to set it up so that way you can go back and check, okay, how many wins and losses did it give me? Right? I'll put everything out on the table for you. It's all right here. Now, look how many trades this particular strategy gets you into. Look how many big wins you had. How many of you think that you can win in the market if you have this doing the work for you? Give me a yes in the chat if you feel that way. Let me tell you something. A lot of people that teach within the Forex market don't want to do indicators. And you want to know why? The only thing I can think of is they don't want you winning like they're winning. But guess what? We're all going to win here. That's been my mission from day one, no matter where I have been in my trading career, is for all of us to win. Team, you put every indicator that we have, you're going to put the buy sell signal, set the alert on it. The buy signal, set the alert on it. And guess what? If you want to be lazy and just sit back and wait for it to come in and say buy and sell, then that's what you do. It's okay. This is going to be a great month for a lot of you in regards to growing an account effectively and efficiently. Now, I don't mean over leveraging, right? Because you see, there's going to be a lot of trades. This is just one pair, team. This works on all Forex pairs in the market. Okay. So if you can think of doing 2 pairs like this, imagine the amount of trades that you will get into on a weekly basis. So it's not about having enough trades. It's about having a proper risk management. Okay. Please don't be greedy. Be very effective. Be very mindful. I'm probably going to be more than one trade. So just because my broker offers 500 leverage, don't use all 500 leverage, right? You don't want to leverage. You don't want to leverage out your account when you have winning trades running. What is when your account's almost margin out? Which trades do the brokers shut down first?
Just one.
Yep. And then after that, they shut down the ones that you're losing, your most losing positions after the winners. All right. So think about it, team. Think about this. If you were running a business of trading and you know that you had this to depend on weekly, why try to double, triple, quadruple your account in a week? It's not worth it. Okay. Nothing's 100%. And I have to put the disclaimer out there. Past profits do not guarantee future results. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. I'm just a trader, and I'm giving my experiences and my strategies to you, but I'm not a financial planner or advisor, okay? So you have these 3 indicators that you're going to have. Now, I want to talk to you about something that really is very, very dear to me. And what that is wealth. Okay? Wealth. Because it's one thing for you to make some money within this market, but it's an entirely different level to create wealth. All right. And so what we're going to do right now is I'm going to go to this slide, and I want to take everyone for a moment. And I just want to say, for what you've seen so far with these indicators, 10 being the greatest and 1 being the worst, what do you think you can do in your performance with these indicators? Remember, team, you just need to set the alert to where it populates. When it populates, it gives you the signal to get in. You don't have to worry about your position anymore, your entry. You don't have to worry about, am I in at the right spot? Should I get out? You let the indicator do all the work while you sit back and get paid, right? Get paid. We're going to start probably in about 6 months to a year, a retirement committee. And every time someone retires from their corporate job or their small business, every time someone retires, we're all going to come out, the retired committee, we're all going to fly out, and we're going to help you walk out in style. We're going to help you walk out knowing that it's no turning back, right? It's going to be fabulous. Could you imagine, team, 20, 30 people, the morning you come into your job, out there in front of your job, clapping, having a great time. If you like golf, we'll go play some golf. If you like the pool, we'll go play some pool, do whatever you want to do. And when you're in there talking to your boss, we're going to be right outside the office clapping and say, let's go, let's go. And we're going to walk out together because we're a team. And this is a lifelong venture. This is not something we're going to do for 3 months, 6 months, a year, right? This is something we're going to do for the rest of our lives. This is something our kids, think about that, team. Your kids are going to have access to these indicators also. Think what they can do at 18, 19, 20 years old with these indicators. It's a beautiful possibility, right? And it can be possible if you're a part of it. That's the only way it can be possible. But I'm committed to doing what it takes for this to be a lifelong venture, and all of us, we're on it together. All right, team, so here we go. Is everyone ready? Is everyone ready? Give me a 1 in the chat if you are ready for the big announcement. I only see a couple of ones. I don't see a lot of ones in the chat. All right, there we go. There we go. Now I'm starting to see some ones, right? So everyone knows that this will be an affiliate-based business, okay? This will be an affiliate-based business. But I wanted to do something special for you. So that way people can come into Christmas on an entirely different level. People can come into the new year on an entirely different level. So we're going to do a pre-launch because I've had a lot of people ask me, Al, please just give me access to the indicators so that way I can start being profitable in the market immediately. Don't hold it back, right? So I've been sitting back thinking about it. And this is a business for the people, by the people. Because there's a lot of you on this call that I started with years ago. Years ago. You knew me from the very start. Right? So this is all of us together, team. A business for the people, by the people. All right. So here we go. Let me share the screen. All right. Can everyone see the screen? All right. So here we go. Yoda'S FX end of the year special is officially here. All right, team, here we go. Pre-launch. You can pre-launch live. You can pre-launch right now. And let me tell you what you have access to. You have access to the software that I call Yoda P. So who is Yoda P for? First and foremost, Yoda P is for the people that says, Al, I don't know what a candle is. I don't want to know what a candle is. And I don't want to have anybody talk to me about a candle. Put them in the Yoda P. Yoda P is going to do everything that they wanted to do and then some. Okay? It's going to get them into the market. It's going to do, it's automated. So it's going to get you into the market, profit loss. Take profit, stop loss. Everything's done You don't have to worry about it. You don't have to even look at it. Just let it go. Now, let me take a poll here. For everyone, what type of trader do you think I am? Aggressive, super aggressive, or conservative trader? Put it in the chat. Aggressive, super aggressive, or conservative? Oh, I see a lot of people know me. I see a lot of people know me. So guess how do you think Yoda P is written? Right? The exact same way. It's going to get you into trades that are it's picky, right? It's going to get you into those trades that are in great positions, that are in positions that where it's heavy on our side of take profit and run it, right? So this is not your 100 trade a day software. This is not that, team. Okay, so don't think of it like that. But you can think of this as your automated Forex 401k. Okay, that's what I like to think of it as. Now again, there's no guaranteed profits and all that good old stuff. But let me tell you this, when you sit back and you wait for the market to come to you, as the people that I've traded with before, you understand the probability of your trades taking profit are a lot greater than someone who's just like, oh, it's bullish. Let me buy right now. I don't want to miss out. That's not this software, team. This software is very calculated and very to the fact, to the T of waiting. And if the trade misses by that much, then guess what? It's just not taken. Okay. So that's people who don't want to know anything about a candle. People say, Al, I love trading. I'm just too busy. Guess what you got? Yoda P. Okay. Very busy person. Yoda P. The person who says, Al, I love trading. I'm still in demo and I'm working on getting better. Guess what? Yoda P. All right. Guess what? The person who says, Al, I'm a decent trader. I can trade and I'm profitable. Well, let me ask you this. Could you use some more profits? Yes, Yoda P. And last but not least, that friend who knows that you trade and you know, Lord, you know that friend of yours, he is not disciplined. He's not going to take it serious. Everybody put it in the chat. What do you offer them? There you go, Mike. Yoda P. Okay. Yoda P. Now, you also have the live classes with me. I'm going to do them at 10 p.m. Eastern time, Monday through Thursday. 10 p.m. Eastern. They will be recorded. Okay. We will have recordings. I'm going to make this down to the level. Recordings of how to set up TradingView like I have it, how to use the different tabs in TradingView. So that way, even our newest person who's wanting to learn, when I request homework and they send it to me, I don't see some purple screen with yellow candles and all kind of stuff like that, right? Where my eyes are just totally out of whack. Everything flows and everything goes just like from the beginning to the end. Everyone will be the same way. Okay. So you have my classes Monday through Thursday. And then the indicators, you have Yoda's open market, Yoda's trap, and Yoda's Tuesday takeoff. Those three indicators are available for everyone on pre-launch. This site is going to be available. You come down, yes, to get started now. Okay. The cost. We are going to have an unbelievable price. I wanted to be able to bring this to the market and give unbelievable value to each and every one of you. All right. You can have all of this, including the Yoda P software, where you passively create your wealth for $139. $139, you're going to have a passive software straight from Yoda himself, live classes, live indicators, 3 live indicators. Now, Adam, I wanted to give a great value, but one time, that's just like, oh my goodness. That is a monthly subscription, team. $139 monthly. Think about this. I understand, Adam. I'm not mad at you. $139 monthly. If you remember what we were talking about, these trades here, the pips, even at $1 a pip, what you were picking up just off of one indicator. That's not including the passive software. Do you think that you're getting a great value? Please let me know. Do you think you're getting a great value at that, team? All right, all right. Now, this is a soft pre-launch. So I'm getting this out just so everyone this month, right, can get a taste, a sample. They can get some profits, right? I'm giving this out this month for $139. Next month, we're actually going to start the affiliate program. This month, the affiliate program will not start. Next month, we will start the affiliate program. I just had so many people asking me for these indicators and Yoda P that I just say, you know what? While I'm getting everything else in the back office, everything else on the backside together, let me give them this so that way they can come through and have a great Christmas. All right. John says, how much is the minimum account balance for Yoda P? John, I would say, me personally, I would start at 500. If you need to start at 200, 250, that's fine. But remember, team, what you put in Yoda P is what you're going to get out of Yoda P, right? So just remember that. And remember, long-term wealth is the key that we're going here after here, right? Long-term wealth, not get rich quick, not super aggressive, ultra aggressive, right? None of that stuff. That's not me. Okay. So once you click on here on the site, then you'll have your particular information that you put in. So that way you can sign up. If you only want the indicators, unfortunately, I'm not doing it a la carte. So Miss Felicia is still the same price, right? I'm sorry, but just to make it simple and put it together, we got to do it from a vantage point to where, you know, everyone can go ahead and take advantage of everything together, right? But team, remember this, even just with the indicators, you're making more. You should be, let me put it like that. Past profits do not guarantee future results, but you should be well within the blue by the end of the month, okay? With proper risk management. I'm gonna repeat that one more time. With proper risk management, you should be well into the blue, all right? You can withdraw from Yoda P anytime, okay? You can withdraw from Yoda P anytime, Miss Nicole. You will be set up with a broker, so we'll make sure everything, all of that happens. Once everyone's done with the sign up, then the details for Yoda P is going to come out, and then so that way everyone can get set up on Yoda P that wants to take advantage of Yoda P. We will be setting up a form, so that way everyone can be hooked up to the indicators, okay? Everyone can be hooked up to the indicators on TradingView. So you need to go and get a TradingView, sign up for TradingView in order to have access to these particular indicators, team, okay? Miss Christine, she said, so the rest of November and December is 139. Ding, 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 ding. That's right, Miss Christine. So is that not great or what? Les, great question, Les. Les asked, can referrals be tracked right away? Unfortunately not. They'll be starting on the 1st of January. So we'll start with a clean slate then, and then we will start the affiliate process, Mr. Les. But everyone will start for clean slate. Nobody will be within the business at that point in time. And we'll start with the affiliate process from that point moving forward, okay? Ms. Cat, great question. Is there a yearly price? Okay, is there a yearly price? Not as of yet. I'm working on it, okay? I'm working on it and seeing what's something that's great value and also keeps the business afloat, right? Michael, is right now it's TradingView, sir, right? Mr. Gregory says, what's the price will be? I'm not sure, Gregory. It's going to be, but it's not going to be far off from 139, okay? It's not going to be far off from that. If not, it will be 139, but it won't be far off from that, okay? I'm not going to hike it up to 250 or anything like that, okay? So I see a lot of questions flying through on the chats. Team, once we get going as far as the forms and everything done, we will send them out. Y'all please fill them out. And then you can do it on TradingView, the free version, right? But you can only set one alert, right? You can only set one alert. So just be mindful of that. Yeah, we're gonna be shooting that out. So this will be distributed out from my Facebook, Telegram, all my outlets that I have. Okay, so expect that immediately after the call, and we will get to rocking, and you guys, ladies and gentlemen, will have access to everything, okay, by the end of this evening. All right. That's not the only strategies we teach, right? That is not the only strategies we teach, but that's the ones we're going to start with, right? That's the ones we're going to start with. Once you pay for it, right? Once you pay for it, what you're going to do, okay? You will actually just, once you do that, you will go ahead and you will have some forms to fill out for your TradingView and those type things. And after that, you'll be able to go ahead and get started. Okay. That's right, John. You're exactly right, John. If you'll put that in the chat, I appreciate it, buddy. Okay. Yes, Miss Blocker, the classes will start tomorrow. Okay. Classes will start tomorrow, 9 p.m. with 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. So that is correct. Let me go ahead. I'll put the link in here, y'all, real quick for you in the chat. So that way you can start. Yes, Miss Lisa, the trainings will start from the very beginning. So for you all that that will be coming in, Marlene. So for you all that have followed me for a while, this will be something that you're like, okay, it's like a refresher course, right? All right. Let me see this at work. Yep, there you go. So that should work, team. Someone please click on what I've just put into the chat and click on it and make sure it works for me. All right, great. So team, I hope that you're excited as much as I am. I really do, because this is something that's going to be fantastic, not only for you, not only for me, but something that's fantastic for our kids to come. And remember, when asked about the training, as far as how many strategies we have right now, I have over 100. So we have enough to go over for years to come. Okay. We will be having training on the indicators. Yes, we will, Gary, immediately. Yes, we will. And they will be recorded. So once you sign up, the link, once you sign up, the forms for us to know as far as for what I need to put you into Telegram and everything else, you're going to have to fill those forms out. Once you fill those forms out, you will be added to everything, team. Okay? You will be added to everything. I look forward to it. And I will see you tomorrow at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Marcelo, I'm looking forward to it also, man. This is going to be great. And for all your people that have experienced stuff in the broker, I mean, in the past, that wasn't the best experience, this is going to be entirely different. You're talking to somebody that started from the same spot each and every one of you started from, that went through the heartaches of trading, that went through the heartaches of learning, the time on the charts, the people being upset with you because you're spending so much time on the charts, to getting the strategies down and finally coming to a place to where I can give my knowledge to you in the simplest level. So I'm so excited about it, and this is going to be great. Let's do it. I look forward to seeing y'all tomorrow, and spread the word, right? Spread that link out, spread the word. Let's make it December a month to remember for everyone in your family, your friends, your co-workers. So that way, next month is just a small bit of what you're going to get in order to look forward to next year and the years to come. All right. Love y'all. Have a great evening.